What is TypeScript? TypeScript is a strongly typed, object-oriented programming language that is a superset of JavaScript. It adds optional static typing and other features to JavaScript, making it easier to write and maintain large-scale applications. What is the difference between any and unknown in TypeScript? The any type allows you to opt out of the type-checking system altogether, while unknown is a type-safe counterpart to any. With unknown, you cannot perform any operations on it until you narrow down its type. What are interfaces in TypeScript? Interfaces are used to define the shape of an object in TypeScript. They allow you to define the required properties and their types, as well as optional properties and methods that an object must have to match the interface. What is a namespace in TypeScript? Namespaces provide a way to organize code into logical groups and prevent naming conflicts. They allow you to group related code together and expose only what is necessary to the rest of the code. What is the difference between an interface and a class in TypeScript? Interfaces are used to define the shape of an object, while classes are used to create objects. Interfaces cannot be instantiated, while classes can be instantiated to create objects that match the shape of the class. What are generics in TypeScript? Generics allow you to write code that can work with a variety of data types, without specifying the type at the time of writing. This can make your code more flexible and reusable, as it can handle a wider range of data types. What is the never type in TypeScript? The never type represents a value that will never occur. It is used to indicate that a function will not return, or that a variable will never have a value. What is a decorator in TypeScript? Decorators are a way to add metadata or functionality to a class, method, or property at runtime. They allow you to modify the behavior of a class or method without changing its source code. What is a module in TypeScript? Modules are used to organize code into separate files and namespaces. They allow you to break your code into smaller, more manageable pieces, and prevent naming conflicts between different parts of your code. What is the as keyword in TypeScript? The as keyword is used for type assertions in TypeScript. It allows you to tell the compiler that you know the type of a value, even if the compiler cannot infer it automatically. This can be useful when working with external libraries or other situations where the type cannot be determined automatically.